Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Thermomix TM31. Today we'll walk you through the essential steps to diagnose and fix common issues with this beloved kitchen appliance. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a multimeter for electrical testing. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected from the power source. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base cover is off, inspect the internal components. Look for any loose connections or visible damage. If you notice any burnt wires or components, it's crucial to address these issues immediately. For those who may find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify the problem for you. Next, let's clean the internal parts. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe down the motor and other accessible areas. Dust and debris can cause overheating and malfunction, so this step is vital. If you're unsure about cleaning certain components, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. After cleaning, check the blades. Ensure they are sharp and free from any food residue. If they appear dull or damaged, consider replacing them. This is a common issue that can affect the performance of your Thermomix. If you need a quote before repair, we can provide that as well, ensuring you know the costs up front. Now let's move on to testing the electrical components. Using your multimeter, check the power supply to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you find any irregularities, it may indicate a deeper electrical issue. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can handle everything from the comfort of your home. Once you've completed these checks and repairs, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix TM31. Carefully replace the base cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or movement during use. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and perform a test run. Check all functions to ensure everything is operating smoothly. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to contact us for support. Our team is here to help you get your Thermomix back to its best condition. By following these steps, you can effectively repair your Thermomix TM31 and extend its lifespan. Remember, if you ever feel overwhelmed, we're just a call away, ready to assist with our professional services. Happy cooking! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.